Hello, my name is Tom and welcome to part 2 of the orb creation series for Cinema 4D. This is a tutorial series and we will make some beautiful things in this series. It's not only Cinema 4D, we will do some photoshopping too, but that's at the end. So you will create something like is here in my background. So let's open Cinema 4D. It's awesome and we love it. That's why we are here. And let's open our last project. I will copy this. As you can see, I have multiple copies here. I will delete them. I already tried to do this video a couple of times, but I got disturbed in between. So yeah, let's try this again and let's do it good right now. So I will copy this and I will open the copy. So the first thing we are going to do is rotate our outer armor ball. We will put this to minus 180 degrees and we will just disable this in the we just keep it enabled for now. We will create a new sphere. We will set the type to octahedron and we will set the display here in the top. So yeah, we're going from here to there to there to there, but we will get to the end very soon. And we will just set our display just to lines just for now, so you can see the inner sphere. So we will call this inner sphere just to sort things out. So oh my god, I'm bad speaking today, really bad. So yeah, you can see why I already did this a couple of times. So we will set the radius of our new sphere. We will set it to about 160 centimeters. And we will set the segments to 36. And then I will take a hit of my coffee. And then we will make our inner sphere editable by pressing C. Then we will just disable our outer sphere or our armor ball. I'm calling this outer sphere. We will disable this one from the random view, or no, from the normal view. Yeah, whatever. We just disable it from the view. We set our display back to guaranteed lanes. I have no clue how to pronounce it, but you understand me because I clicked it. And then we will just get our live selection tool and we will just select 1/4 of this sphere. 1/4. We'll just do this fast. So excuse me if it looks ugly. Rome wasn't built in one day, was it? So this isn't as well. So now we just have selected our quarter of the sphere. We will just press U and K, U and I, my bad, and we will just press delete. We will select every polygon in this quarter of the sphere, and we will just hit extrude, and we will extrude it for 10 centimeters. Or if you're using imperial, then 10 inches or whatever you're using. So I don't care, as long as it looks like this a little bit. So what we will do now is we will extrude inner to about 8 centimeters, and then we will extrude this minus 10 ish, and then we extrude inner this again to about 8, and then we extrude this again. What a surprise, surprise, surprise. And we will do the offset to about 10-ish again. You will now press U and K, so that's 2 times UK, and that's because else our polygons will be messed up. So we will go to extrude inner this again, and we will just do that for about 8, and then extrude this inner extrude, and extrude, and then we will just get this hexagon here. Correct me if I'm pronouncing everything wrong. Excuse me, it's not my native language. We will melt these polygons. We will extrude this about 17 centimeters. We will extrude inner distance about 8 or so. Then we will extrude this again minus 17, minus 17, minus 17, not dash 17. Yeah, and now we will just create an array. We'll put the inner sphere in there. We will set the radius to 0, copies to 3, and then we will make the array editable. So we just press C. You will see now that we have new intersections of our sphere. Just call this array top sphere half, and we will copy and paste this one, and we will call the other one bottom sphere half. And what we will do now is we will rotate the bottom sphere half to minus 180 degrees, and now we will create a null object, and we will put we will call this inner sphere, and we will give that the two halves of the sphere. Now we will just enable this little thing here, and from now we will just gonna tweak things up a little bit. So we will select outer sphere, and then you will select the sphere that's now, or the sphere part that's now on the top, and you will just move this a little bit around. If you're dragging and then you will hold shift, you will see that there are only steps of 10 centimeters every time taken. Just use it. Just use it if you can, because it makes things look much better. And then we will just rotate this and just make something nice out of this. So I'll try to speed this thing up a little bit, and now we will start creating some little bit of tentacles. For that we will make the array of the outer sphere editable, and we will just rotate everything a little bit, like negative 20 degrees. Just copy as I do. Just watch closely and just do what I do. And then just arrange everything, make it look beautiful. I forgot how much I gained everything. 120, 20. Okay. And now it's a little bit of like it's exploding, or well, it looks natural or something, like it's supposed to. So what we will do now is we will just disable our view from the outer sphere again, and we will go to the bottom sphere half, and we will select all of these polygons. We go to the polygon mode, and as you can see, the polygon we just edited are still available to edit. So what we will do now is we will extrude this a little bit more to the inside, and then we will just delete this. This is because there will be an object in the middle. And then we will go to the top sphere half, and you will just select those sphere parts. And what we will do now is kind of silly, but yeah, we'll just do it like this. And then you will select inner extrude, or extrude inner. You just extrude inner, and then you will extrude like so, and then you will go to select and then ring selection, and you will just select all of these newly created things. Just copy as I do now, and use extrude inner, and then extrude. So we have nice studs or something like that. Now it looks like a sea mine. And then you will select the, just select this. I'm really having trouble speaking today. I'm really lazy and stuff. Now you will go to matrix extrude, and you will set the variation to initial, and move minimal to 50%, scale minimal to 75, 75, and rotate minimum to about 100%. And as you can see now, you have something beautiful. But we need to get the rotation point to 10 degrees. And now we have a little bit of random like tentacles. So yeah, we'll just gonna create a new sphere, and we will use this as the inner sphere. We will set the display again to the line so we can see how big we need to make this. I guess it's about 150 centimeters, and we will go to the other views to check that, and it seems to be about right. So we now go to create a new material. So you go here and create a new material. You will deselect the specular here. You'll just deselect it. You will go to color, and you will set to this to pure white and to about 120. The brightness to about 120. Then you will go to luminance, and the luminance you will give a color that you just like. I like this one because it's the color scheme of my site. And we will set the brightness to 200, and we will give this material to the new sphere. We will call this sphere glow sphere. This is the inside of this sphere. You will set display to back to normal, or what you're used to. You press F1 to go to the normal view, and then you just then you will see that you need to remove the color. So I disable the color, and there is our little glow thing. So you can't really see the glow now because we need to do things for that. So what I will do, I will now create two more materials, or one more material, and then I will quit this part, and I will continue in the next part because it's already getting past 30 minutes and I want to keep the videos shorter than 50 minutes. So I will just create a new shader. Here, create new shader, and we will use a Daniel shader. Double click it, call this layer shader material. Just call it like armor. You will set the reflection, or you will set the diffuse color to black, and then the reflection color to black as well. Then you will right click this rectangle, and you will set the material to object GI, and then you will add some anisotropy, and you will set that to shrink wrap. We'll just do that, and you will give this to all of the things that are armor. So you just enable this again in the random view. Now we're just gonna position this a little bit and check our render. And yeah, this is the really beginning of our sphere creation tutorials. So now you can see a little bit what's going on, and what the result eventually will be like this. So we are working through this. Oh, before we shut this video down, or before we end this, I want you to add some subdivision surface. You will just add this 2 times, and you will put all of the armor spheres in there. So the outer sphere and the inner sphere, just to get some some smoothness in the. Oh my god, I'm really I'm fucking bad today. So yeah, excuse me that I failed a lot of times. So I'm ending this video now. I hope you liked it, but I can't believe you didn't like it. So yeah, thumbs up or thumbs down. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and we will then do some more materializing, and we will go into the render settings. And after that, we will get a part, and we will start with Photoshop very soon. So yeah, just try to keep watching, and I will try to make my videos much faster and much better than this fucking video is. So have a good day. Bye bye.